Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to manually add the hidden network into our Windows 10 PC so that you can connect to a Wi-Fi. So you can just go over and follow up these steps exactly, and let's get started. So for that, it is pretty easy. You can head over and go ahead and look out for this connection section right here and open it up. Or if not this, you can go over and access your device's settings. So hit Windows plus I for that and access your settings, and from here you can go over to the option called Network and Internet and click on it. Once you click on it, this space opens up here with different options available. You can select the option for Wi-Fi here and open it up. And once you open it up, you can turn on this option if this option is not turned on yet. So if this option is turned off, you can turn it on by clicking on this toggle option and expand it up to show you all the available networks. So these are the available networks for me. If you want to add up a hidden network, right below when you scroll down, you can directly find the option for hidden network here. So you just need to head over and select this option called hidden network. And once you select this option for hidden network, you can select this option for connect automatically and click on connect. After you do so, what you need to do is you need to go over and enter the exact SSID for your network name or your network name that you have on your PC or your device. So I'm just going to use my network name. This is my network name right now. After that, you can click on next and wait for some certain seconds. Once you do so here, you need to go ahead and enter the password for the hidden network. So just go ahead and enter it up. And there we go. This is my password right here. So I'm just going to click on next and confirm it up. And once you wait for some certain seconds, you will be finding the network being connected. You can see I already have been connected to the network, and there we go. So therefore, if you'd also like to go over and add up a network that is hidden, you can just go over and follow up these simple steps. It is pretty quick and easy. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.